with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Good morning. How are you going, so? Oh, I never started treadmill. How are you? Been a little while. I'm not going to no vlog for the longest while, so I don't know. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I don't know what kind of day me have it. I just feel a little bit under the weather. This week has been such. Well, you know, you got your truck them come and tell us truck a pass, you know. Lots of vehicle, not truck. So look here. Yeah, me. Just come on the treadmill and me just take my time and take it slow, nothing much. I don't know what today is gonna be. Did I say good morning? That is how much me out of focus. Barely I'm not awake, it seems. I fully look like me not awake yet. Yeah, you know that grumpy feeling there, but we'll get over it. Because guess what? I'm telling you, say, whatever it is, any day me a vlog, and time the spirit comes from vlog, and it's spirit in me inner, I'm not gonna hide it. Today is one of the grumpy days with a lot on my plate. Always have a lot on my plate. We do. Once you're alive, you still have a whole heap on your plate. You have to pick and choose. So I pick and choose them I want to eat today. We don't know. I'm just taking a small stroll, not no hectic one. So I take it slow and take death. I would have thinking we carry it up there. I haven't been on this thing for so long. Papa Jesus, speed up. Hey, good day. Debbie no know nothing what go on. I've been on the treadmill for a little time, coming up and about, doing all kind of activities so that I exercise too. Treadmill dirty, yeah? But that always clean, and everything clean it for me. So I'm just doing a little stretching, mostly from my hip, you know, my hip joint, this so go down and this so me I work on. So I'm not hard nothing. Yeah, so how have you been? I've not given you a vlog since Sunday dinner. So it goes sometime. Can't recall the week passed back so fast. Can't recall what I did. But I said it goes sometimes. So many things. Yeah. So I'm trying my best to see what I can do today. Or what I can do in this vlog. I don't know if it will go done now one day. Or it's gonna go over in another day. But I hope you're having a beautiful day. Whenever you get to watch this, hope that you will sit back in a little place. What's that thing? Wherever you go past your little time. Cock up your foot and all of that. And remember to tell me the most favorite part. Yeah, I had a few minutes just so we don't know. I'm not going to hard. You know? How when me I do? Me not have no sense, you know. When sense that give up, me never they get none. I'm go and when me come back, you done. Yeah, but I'm doing it slow. I'm just doing it slow. Yeah, we take our time. I know, you know. We know the thing go already. So this is still working on my hair. Yeah. And beautiful Saturday morning, everybody. Some people still in a bed. All like that. So I'm here. I never have much of a dinner yesterday evening, so I take it slow. Somebody I make coffee. And I know Dad can't make me in a long time. I smell fresh brewed coffee. Somebody bought the plate. I think people now go on a brew coffee that smell like, you know, when you just it start brew and the coffee, the cafe clean and everything, wash on the tank, everything fresh and nice. Freshly brewed coffee and that, I don't know, that don't smell like no instant, that are direct the one where you brew. So, but I am, and me I start off my day like this, getting a few strides in, slow strides. Because if I don't take it slow, it will take me low. And I'm not going to let it take me low, you know? So, me catch you in the next clip. See? Whoa, 15 minutes. On the treadmill, slow stride. Twisting and turning. I don't know what this little sitting here, but yeah, I never have them sitting there. I did pick it though, like some little idiot. Yeah, at that. So I know you know good I wonder, because I know say no miss people here, but I think it was a little, I don't know. But me work on it, Just warm some castor oil and put it on it. So 15 minutes of slow stride, and in the last 2 minutes, twisting and turning my feet on the treadmill, overlapping them, you know, twisting and turning, and I work up the whole hip. Feeling 0.5%, 3/4% better. Whoa, I'm trying to enjoy stressful days with family. Jesus of mercy. We don't know about stressful days with family. So, hello. I work up a little sweat. Not a lot. Not a lot. But I always, when I go up on a treadmill and work up a little sweat, I always like go wash off. So, my skin not dirty, and I like no broccoli fall down on me, you know. That me I tell you, no. So, I go in the shower now, get a little wash off. I don't put on a soap. I just make the shower, wash me after just 3 minutes. Water just run. Yeah, I have water in my shower. Me as shower now. I want to know. The plumber, we still have in the backup. So the plumber is supposed to come tomorrow. He wanted to come from yesterday, but actually we weren't here yesterday. We are out running errands and this and that and doing what families do, where real people do. Yeah, welcome to fall once more. Yeah, fall is here. The days are not so hot. The nights are getting a little cooler. You can turn on the AC for half an hour and it cool down the room for the rest of the night. And we run on the little brought down fan. So we give God the glory. Still can't find little tea for drink and piece of dry bread. So we are panka. We're here. We're going on. Of course, our bills have got to be paid. Remember to watch the ads in this video. Remember to tell me which is your favorite part. Come on, girl. Now come out. You're gonna walk. Yeah, I'm afraid walk day in, day night out. I don't know it going. Can't make it pass him. That is on the outside where him do best round there, the one with all kind of arms out. Him a saka, him a panka, and of course Miss Queen Cope, she is in bed. She not got bed sometimes until when dog afraid because she said, oh mom, I won't be coming out early this morning because I've got an assignment to do. So after I do my assignment, so me I go do what me can do, me I go wash off myself and never had anything much. Me I go down in that kitchen there. Me don't know why my face down in the kitchen stressful this morning, you know. I don't know why. Me left it stressful. Because I did that sweet and sour pork video. I'm just come up, cool off, wash off, and go down in my bed. Me just sit so drained. I don't know why. Yeah, I have a lot of mercy. I have one juice extract. I never remember if I ask Jerry if take off his thing, you know. One next part down there. I remember so long I not use it. I remember if it twist if it turn it off. Because in that, like God, I'm going to make that the one that's so complicated. But anyway, it's another vlog. It is another vlog. I hope you will enjoy. I'll catch you in the next clip. Bye. Let me just go wash off and see me. I sweat again. But I stop for look too. Me I do look like I'll get. What is something the name? Look like you get bleaky. Cause some water me want. Me I sweat again. But guess what? I'm not complaining about the sweating. When I'm sweating, I feel better. When I'm not sweating, I feel sick. Yeah. Just go wash off. Yeah. Want some water, but guess what? Look like water done. I really want that no buckle. I not see no more full buckle. So that I can look water. You're not here. I deal with water. So I see like me not see no water in this. So. Oh, I put a piece of ice in this store. I say I'm hungry. Papa Jesus. I'm hungry. How am I going to eat? I'm going to wash off the frost. Water done. Oh no, see water there. I just make that come put it on. I look some water, Paarees. I'm looking some water, girl. I try to find a better angle for that camera here, you know. That you can't see me. I don't know why sometimes I feel like you don't see me. Of course you don't see me if you don't do nothing. No, but I will not tea over. I forgot you for something like this. I need some water. That's what that me really feel for now. My palate I call for some water. So I'm like straightening up in the kitchen if I do. I'm gonna do it. come tell me while ago say, Mom, I am. She take a little extra time. But look here. She take what she want to, because I'm just doing a Patreon video to them. And long overdue for a Patreon. But me have to thank my Patreon then, because sometimes I'm lacking a content over there. But I swear God, them a support me. I'm looking support them, you know. I feel me I drink the rum like man with the bar last night. I drink all night. Oh, Jesus. Hello. I'm feeling better. It's a beautiful day. I feel better. I feel good. Thank you, Jesus. Welcome once more to fall. Welcome to another DDT vlog. So look here. I'm drinking my water. My body's going to be vamped up. And I'm going to be firing up for you in the rest of this video. Next clip. Okay. So I am back, fam. I just started some plate. All of these are clean, but cup coming out, she come out. Right here, so I'm just. Why may I see up there, so? Why may I see up there? I just she go put them. I'm so good at packing up them, sending in them too. So I don't know what this is, but all these are clean. Them for pack away and so. So I just empty the dish drainer, wash it out. So all of them something here, so. The only thing we might have dirty is this pot. I think they up here for wash too. Yeah. And I'll move this put here. So this are the base. I don't remember how to get it out, but I soon figure it out. You see me? Yeah, this is that's something in your juice extractor, but this little thing here, I don't remember. I wanted no chance, it's so sharp, so Jer always figure it out, so oh boy. It's when you have your stuff them and you know use them often at that time. Yes, so this one, everything here. Yeah, this drainer, cover go, pack them away and something. I just stuff them to pack away. And I go wash them look or something. I should put it here so you know. Beside water, I put in here water. Yeah, I do have some stuff to throw too. And something look like when I tell them to make about the rice and peas. They don't listen to how I tell them to store it. They don't listen. So they cooked too much rice and peas the other day. But they don't listen. Sorry for my other camera. When me tell them say, Malcolm, when you put the rice and peas in the container, if you wrap it over with a plastic wrapper or next something wrapper we have, you cover it. They don't listen so. I smell something kind of. I go wash the cake layer. I change the cake layer this week. This is I think I use about 2 weeks now. So I deal with my cake layer. I rotate them so. Oh, them never did wash this. So I go wash these. I go do these. No Paarees. So basically almost everything over here so clean. I just did Go back and come pack with them. I'm going to use that blender. I'm going to use that toaster here. So what I'm going to do right here, so I have... Yeah. So I wash up, look, I wash up the whole of them something there in the dish drainer. All of them over there, so wash them and drain when them drain. Go back and dry and pack away. Yeah, so basically everything. These are the stuff to pack away. We have, she had the pack away lady, you know, I can't deal with no pack away nothing. So over here, so now I have some little something over here. So these are clean. Cold on this side, so they make this there, so I don't know why. This, I don't know where she put it. I have the cover there for clean now. I go try some rice when I want to throw in this. This I go use it back. I just wash it up. But I have one cabbage when I go steam. I want some cabbage for steam. I like that from morning. This is my sauce of tea. I never know where it cover there. This is my sauce up. Where's the cover? This now is a nightmare till I get it. I put that I pull off and for wash. Right here, so I got me some. No, I don't want to turn my camera off. Turn on my house. I have some cucumber and some red onion. They have to wash off. So basically, I just this there right here. So I may have 2 pear when I buy. I think I don't get pear for eat today, but I don't get none. All this I look like a tomorrow. I don't think I not tomorrow need that. Yes, I look like I just squeeze. I feel sad. But maybe tomorrow, yeah, cause in here warm, you know. So look here now. I am going to be. As soon as you buy the sitting them so. You know what I see me? Carry up this little mirror. So, you know what I see? Make sure so you know what I see, you know. Oh, me have, you know what I see, yeah. This is pork, the pork there. Hold on, it kind of wet. So hold on, the sweet and sour pork. I do some liver. I go add up some steam, some cabbage. Man, they with the rice business, you know, so put this over here so you can see. See? I'll take him a right up down in my house. So you can have one video I want to do, you see. And it requires a nice big cabbage. And I tell you, you know how long I search? We get one nice cabbage. I beg Jerry buy one. This was supposed to do the video. And this Jerry come with. So this couldn't do it. I beg go buy one. And this should come with. I know not tell me say somebody chat about going down a market. You think down a market better? And you think when you go down a market, you talk only come about. You need to go downtown and support the poor people. Me poorer than the people them downtown. Because look here, let me tell you something. Jamaica is not like one time in a Paarees where you could have one like a $3,000 and go market. Now when you go downtown, for me, with my 4 hours in here, you have to have at least 10,000 Jamaican dollar. And still that not say nothing. And when me not have it, me just not have it. I come chat about. You need to go downtown and support the poor people them. So me not poor. I rich, me rich. Watch. When I go in a supermarket, go take up one cabbage. Most of the time now people them go in there and then take up one cabbage. Just so it go to Jamaica now. Jamaica is not like when you use soup on a Saturday morning. All of you all who go Jamaica and know it used to run a Jamaica. When you go to town on Saturday morning, you jump up have your 2 bag them say, oh a market me I go you know. And so, you know, that's not there anymore. That, and not just since now. And since COVID, it changed long time. You know, I can remember when, like, on a Saturday morning, I saw, when me have 1,500 or 2,000, I go downtown, what? How may I take care of it up here? So one cargo plane, one cargo ship, or sitting, one of them container there. Eh? No. $10,000 now you go downtown, it coming like joke. So, I can't talk about service. When you go to the supermarket, you can take up. Your budget is that a 1 cabbage you can take up. One nice cabbage and so just that you can take up. So when people don't understand. And from here they say me know a Jamaican, you need to go downtown to support the poor people. So me not poor. What make me not poor? Eh? So Paarees, hear me man. I stay like one time. So all who they're foreign and I think when they come to Jamaica, they might go downtown with big bag. With $1,000 and $2,000. go something that miss so no. Yeah. Go do sitting. And I say that and I say go again, babes. That not there again. Yeah, this the plumber come tomorrow still. I put the salt. Plumber go come tomorrow, come start out when to start. I mean, I'm making see what happened around there, so we make the fridge. We make the ice maker, forget the connect. No, no, it connecting them are but like some little leaking around there. Something around there, the adjustment around there. If not, me I'm making fix it for me tomorrow. I'm making see if you can find a way to me get a next filter. 2 filters out of the front, you know. 2 filters out of the front of the yard. So me just see if me can and the fridge, the refrigerator have a filter for you know. So me still have to make him get. So if you can get one put underneath the pipe there. So before the water come through the fridge, it will go through 2 filters. That's supposed to be. I wish part me there, so just me not tell a lie. When I'm ready for the water hard, it's rough. I tell a lie. So I just clean down, move the dish drainer, because you know, I move my dish drainer like, depends, like every 2 weeks, sometimes every 3 weeks. Yeah, sometimes when me strap for time all a month, because nobody not do that but me. So when I move it a while, I go and wash out the inside there, so, and move it and wipe out. The chlorine rough. So, I have 2 filters out in front there, so I wonder if it one bigger filter. So, I want somebody who know about filter to tell me. Comment and tell me. Because they are not big, you know. Because I go somewhere there and I look. I see how the lady, she have 2 big filter, one Airbnb she run. And just to see, it's the same size house like this. And she have 2 hefty filters. So comment and tell me. I'm going to ask my plumber. Because my filter St. Mary, you know. Bigger than that. It's not the biggest size, but a reasonable size. But these are small. Let me come at this concept. This small. So, why am I not telling you like the water rough? Chlorine rough. You know, I have to use the water from the cooler to make the ice. But guess what? What it is, whatever it is, darling. You can't do, you know? Yeah, so me I go. Me have one oh yeah. Me have one towel less so. I me say when you don't know, you just don't know. Jamaica not like one time again. So where you $1,000 and $1,500 and you got town and buy the whole of downtown. No, ask anybody. You come in a people comment section contract, but you need to go downtown and support the poor people. If you don't know nothing, you're not to chat. You chat nothing. Next clip. Hold on this. It's not easy nowhere from. It's not easy nowhere. Me I show you something. You see the one I cut up, it look up bigger. See the one I Colby buy. I say Colby, so you find one nice cabbage. Come here, have one video I want to do on the cooking channel. This is smaller. It's light, smaller. The cabbage I want supposed to be it's a size cabbage and it must be tightly compact. This is not even £1/2. I must say $500 Colby pay fee. And the little bigger one that was tightly packed. Jordan must pay $700 fee. You think you're getting a better downtown? Not much. Not much. You left your yard and go buy one cabbage. That make no sense. You have money. You go to market. I saw it go now, you know. Sorry for my back turn to the camera, Paarees. You go look but you look at cabbage. It's sure enough. Yeah. Sight now. You watch vlog with people after now when they run Ghana Costco or run. Not Costco, run Ghana then look at supermarket. You can pick up one for just make something for dinner. Because you got to have your money to pay your light, your water, and all of your something, them mortgage, rent and them sitting there. And you take your money and go to the market and not pay them. I'm not that person. You tell you something. Me feel good. Them I stand up onion from last night and I did use and I did left back. Let me tell you something, Paarees. You see when my bills them pay, I'll tell you something, he's a girl like that. So when my bills them pay, I'm alright, me eat any little thing. You know when I smell them, I'm going to make eyewear shine. And sitting there. And not pay my bills them. You can't afford to go down a town with 10,000. And me have my light and my water, internet and all other sitting them to pay. Yeah. and the celery me did pick up or something. And look here, the celery, we even though I imported, and I don't know, say me not me not full on imported something them too tough, you know. But the celery was way cheaper, it affordable, right? Cause me I look now say, and it not taste bad. You know, no? Me I run say until me see food one again. Me know if you got to know see celery, me can't pay for it. No, I know I will not be able to pay for it. And me I tell myself, say, look here. Me have to go buy another one again, yeah? I saw it go. Cause them one where we are about here. Guess what happened? Can I tell you something? I'll tell you something. Them are something there too. Them are spray too. Everything they funny just like the one them where we are run from. Everything now you know nothing where big can we no good. So you just buy where your money can afford and pray over it. And me try it and I say, but it's not bad. It's not bad. One might look stronger still. Because them not big so. But it's not bad at all. Oh, Kuya, it's never done drink. I know wait up his place. I steam it and I call the alone I got this cabbage. I have gone to work. I work so much in the weekend. So I got now, you know. You have to find yourself anyway something there now. You can't sit down and look. You can't work the Monday to Friday alone and things so when month end can anyway look about 1 week you have to gone. Yeah? Yeah, I have a little cabbage here. I have a coat one slice of bread and I have a apple ladder. Pork here, that's what I'm doing right now. Listen up here. You can check out this guys. This is on the Amazon storefront. It's a really nice wok. I'm going to go on my bike still, but I'm not even take it out. Already I'm take it out, but it's not. But when I bought it, it was on sale. I don't think it's going to be on sale again. But you can check it out. They have different colors. You can check out the Amazon storefront. Nice. It's really nice. It's wide. And we have one next one the one that got it heavy. And this is the cover. It's nice. Yeah, and I think they have it in, if it's not jade, it's blue. They have it in white and they add it in the jade or blue. One of the two of them. So it's nice. If you are interested, I don't want to support me. But actually when I got it, it was on sale. I don't think so. I think so. I finished that and I got toast and slice of bread. A couple of little pork left back. Next plate. This is Paarees. This is I can make your nasty. I put it little sweet and sour pork. And I got apple sauce. First I eat from morning and I must eat after 12. Then I cold I use so I better clean. Basically everything clean. And I toast 2 slices of bread right now. I use that same plate here. I want the cabbage to kind of get like a burn. I like the cabbage skin. I don't know, I don't see no people are there. I show you. I don't see people nowadays that do that, you know. See? My mother when she cook cabbage, she always cook it till it kind of burn. I like it. I got like a burn something there. Nobody cook it so again. I like the little chardonnay. Yeah, who know me I talk about? Yeah, so I can turn off now. Turn on this. And I don't have my pickle right here, so with no water. Because I use a different one. So look here. Everything clean. I just basically them already on the stove. I got dirty and when cold come, she'll make her breakfast. So when she done, I have one Patreon video to do. I top this time now. Oh, I know something they make cabbage yet. I can't say I have the toaster here, so I know Paarees. Oh, you see them sitting here? Girl, not do these things. I know which part is spoon there. I use toast on them sitting there. Very rare. You see me? You see cabbage? Yeah. Oh God. You almost can literally hold this so. And then you see I have one pot on the angle. Can hold a good pot where I can suck in that. You see? So I have my cabbage. Yeah. Bread pop up. Toaster done. Some cabbage. Look at it. Well, that's something I name. Sweet and sour pork. And I eat that and some water. Yeah, but I will not eat it our idea. I'm going to eat when my food done. Alright, I'm show you my food before I eat. Next clip. Breakfast is served. Breakfast / lunch. My toast, my cabbage, and my sweet and sour pork. Crystal punch. You catch you in the next clip. Go back and look about fair, but she now put that on this. Back at you, DDT fam. So I have just finished my Patreon video. I'm about to wrap up this other video with you. This is my vlog with you. So we did homemade biscuits for our Patreon. You see that? Homemade biscuits we did for Patreon. Remember to give me some support. These videos, you'll never see me do them on YouTube. So I'm having one of my biscuits with some, what's this jam? Peanut butter jelly. Not peanut butter, this is jelly. Oh. I've come here now just to end this vlog with you. Thanks for watching, thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. I'm not doing any cooking today actually. We had some rain. I'm still warm, so I'm slightly a sweat. Oh. I'm eating, but that's okay. Remember to make sure you tell me which is your favorite part in this video. Thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. Never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Remember, stay up on top of things. Life gets so hard. It's going to be harder too. Prepare for more challenging days ahead. But with faith and prayer, Lord will help us to remember. Make sure that someone in your home is praying. I'll catch you again with another vlog, another St. Mary video.